Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing baked ziti. That's why I like pasta. That's one of my favorite, and it's relatively easy recipe. And I'm gonna go right into what you're gonna need and tell you what I'm gonna do to do this baked ziti with you. Okay, you're gonna need 24 ounces of spaghetti sauce, or either a little more. 24 ounces of whatever flavor spaghetti sauce that you like. I got the traditional sweet basil, and sometimes I just use plain traditional. And you're gonna need 16 ounces of the penny pasta, and this is the I think 2.5 ounce can of sliced black olives. And you're gonna need 1 onion, which will probably be 1 cup, and then 1 green pepper. And you're gonna also need a cup and a half of this mozzarella cheese, and you're gonna need some Parmesan cheese. Now I can't tell you the exact amounts, because a lot of time I just be putting it in, but I'm gonna put probably about a cup or either half a cup in the mixture with the mozzarella cheese, and then the rest of it I'll sprinkle on the top. And you're gonna also need a pound of ground beef. Now a pound of ground beef, and if you're fixing more, you can just double this recipe or increase it ever how you want to, because I do that a lot. But let me tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to when I leave off camera, I'm gonna go ahead on and brown my ground beef, and saute my onions and my pepper. And I forgot to tell you, when I brown my ground beef, I'm gonna be putting some season oil in it. I'm gonna put some season oil and a little garlic powder. I always season my ground beef with some seasoned oil and a little ground pepper. You know, do that to taste.
Garlic powder.
Excuse me?
With garlic powder?
Yeah, garlic powder. Well, you know, I don't have it over here, but I got it. But I forgot to get it out. But I'm just, going ahead on and tell you. You're going to need just some garlic powder if you want to. That's optional. You can just put the seasoned salt in there, or either you can put just some salt, a little pepper. But you always need to put a little seasoning in your ground beef. Okay? Like I said, I'm going to brown and drain my ground beef, saute my onions and green peppers, and cook my pasta. When I come back, all of this is going to be ready, and all I'm going to need to do is just mix it, show you how I mix the dish up. That's it. So I'll be back when I get all this did and show you how we're going to mix it up. Okay, you guys, I got my ground beef brown and drained, and I got that 1 onion and that green pepper over here. And, I sauteed that. So that's sauteed. I'm going in with the that little 2.5 can of ounce can of the black olives and my spaghetti sauce. Okay, go ahead on and put my spaghetti sauce over here. And remember, you guys, I season my ground beef. You can season it with whatever you season it with, but just put some seasoning to that ground beef. You don't want it to be without seasoning. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get this mixed up, and then I got to let this simmer for 15 minutes with in the tomato sauce and the onions and the black olives. And then when I come back, I'm gonna add my cheese and my pasta to it, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. I'll show you how to do that. I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and I'm getting ready to mix it up. I got the penny pastas over here in the bowl. The reason I transfer it over to this bowl, because the skillet that I use is not large enough for me to mix this stuff well up in there together. So if you have a larger skillet, you don't have to do this. So I got the penny pasta in. I'm going in with this here try to sprinkle it so it'll be even. This is probably about just a little better than a cup. You know, you put the amount you kind of want, but you at least need about a cup and a fourth of cheese. If you want more, like more, you know, you can do more, but you don't about need that. That was the mozzarella cheese. Just kind of mix that around up in here, and then my ground beef and onions and green pepper and the olives and the spaghetti sauce has already simmered for 15 minutes. And I'm getting ready to put that in there. Let me tell you guys this, I forgot to tell you. I added about 2 more ounces of spaghetti sauce to that because when I first started making this dish, the recipe that I use, it calls for more spaghetti sauce than what the jar used to be 28 ounces, but now it's just 24 and 24, I think. So you need about 26 or 28 ounces in there. I forgot what it used to be. Okay, I got that cheese kind of mixed up in there, and I'll bring this ground beef mixture over there and pour it in. This is my ground beef mixture. Now I got to get all my stuff out. Now that's the way the old people used to tell us, waste not, want not. Let's sit this over here. It ain't got to wait. I don't want to sit it back on the center. Okay, I'm going to mix this up well, and then I'm going to put it in a 9 by 13 casserole dish, and then I'm going to sprinkle the remaining of the cheese, the Parmesan and the mozzarella, and I'm going to cover this and bake it in a 350 degree oven for 25 minutes. How many of you guys like baked ziti? I love it. I used to when I used to eat salad with it, but I'm noticing after since I've gotten older, salads don't necessarily agree with me. That's strange. Well, I said I'm not gonna complain because I ate enough of them when I was young enough. I love the salads, and I'm gonna do me some New York toast, and I'll be eating off this problem the rest of the week. I may put some of it in the freezer. I don't know. But the way I like it, it probably won't make it to the freezer. Remember, guys, mix well. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of this here mozzarella cheese in here. You don't have to cook it too much noodles, or you don't have to cook, but you can just kind of cut down on the recipe of this stuff. What I did, cause you see how easy it is to mix, and if you don't need that much, but if you have never tried it before, you're just gonna need it. If you ever try it, do you make baked ziti yourself, or ever bought it at Italian restaurant or whatever? If you have, leave me a comment. Let me know. Do you like it? Yeah, what did I do with my little? Oh, get this out like this out of there. See, you got to come out of there. You know, when you put mozzarella in a dish, it makes it. My daughter loves it. She says, "Ooey, screaming." She loves that. So let me get it over in the dish, guys. It's gonna be a lot. spread it out. Alright, if you want to fix some more, you know, fix you some more of the pasta and increase your amount of ground beef and sauce on it, and you can just fix a bigger container. It's always enough for me. Okay, I'm going in with the mozzarella first. If you like me, you like lots of cheese. As I said, don't skimp on the cheese. You definitely don't have to put much cheese as I put on there. I'm telling you that now. But I like enough cheese. That's enough of that. Okay, put this grated Parmesan. You can get your fresh Parmesan cheese and put on there. I normally do, but the delis at the stores and stuff is you know, they really been out of a lot of things. I imagine they had to throw some of that cold cut stuff away if people wasn't buying it right. Because usually I grate my own, because I fix more than one dish where I use this Parmesan cheese. And it's cheaper for me to just okay, you guys, that's all to it. It's just as simple as that. And once it get baked up, I'll come back and serve you guys up a dish of it. Put your foil on it. You got to cover this dish. And put it in 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. And I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product of the baked ziti. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified. And I will see you guys in my next video. Let me move over and dish you up some of this here baked ziti. And you guys stay safe now. You ain't got to cut it off. You can just stay with it. Can you just ease over there? One more spoon. Okay. It's good and hot. Good and hot. See that steam? Yeah, I go. I'm not good with fooling with stuff too hot. I always let stuff cool before I mess with it. Look at that. As my daughter say, that ooey gooey cheese. Now you guys, this is one of May's favorite dishes. Okay, you guys, this is I got it right? Yeah. Huh?
Yes, that's right.
Ooh. Okay, you guys, this is it. Now see you in my next video. This stuff is hot. I got to put this sauce down. Bye.